wash my clothes myself. And it's saying 40 baht, but in coin, so I need to get changed. And I think these people on this whole block, they just opened up a little cafe since I've been here. They moved from the little spot across the street. And they greeted me when I first got here now. With shutters. And everything is, I don't know what they set up for, but normally this is something traditional. Oh yeah, I think they want all of this because they took all the crap from up on top of there. They set up a little cabinet thingy, trailer, a little coffee shop. They hang out at night. I guess drink beer and talk. So that's pretty cool. I like community. But let's see if they can give me some change or somebody can help me with the washing machine.
Washing machines work. You need to wait for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I'll just go up the back. Thanks so much. Perfect. Okay, guys. So he's so nice. He actually started the machine for me because I did leave a message with saying that I didn't understand. So I guess he came and put the rest of my change in, which this is the change for the dryer, and started my load. So 20 minutes, it goes and goes. All right, I'll be back. I don't know if it's worth it using the laundry service or if I should wash myself because it's the folding. I like how they fold so perfectly. But I'll be back. So this is the cafe slash hangout thing. It's so nice because it was just like a cabin when I first got here. And I actually saw it being blessed. Now, I think that this couple owns this property that I'm in with multiple condo units. And when I was wrestling with the washing machine, I saw a little old lady peeking, and I was like, help. And when she came out, she looked about 90. So I don't know if that's the mom and they just stay in different apartments in the building. It's the son that takes care of me. And then the mom and dad hangs out over here at the coffee shop slash thingy over here. But yeah, I got to witness this sacred meeting. I guess they called the monks in to pray over their new adventure. And I was wondering what kind of meat they had on these trays. I saw the fruit, but it was like chicken, and then it was like this bigger thing. I don't know if it was like a full turkey or what, I wonder. And it was like all red. All those 4 trays has some type of animal on it and they're red. I don't know what that means, but people would pull over and recognize the honor of the monks in the area. So this was very special. I was very honored. And I was just noticing as I was folding, I was like, I got so much black. But anyway, back to the ceremony, they moved their way to the side where my balcony is. And I said, okay, good karma, I see you following me. And they began to pray over his new property there. And it was very, very respectful. She greeted me when I first got here, and she was so warm and so nice and made sure that everything was everything. And that's the wife. So I was just observing how much gratitude she was in. She was just standing there, you know, and taking it all in, taking the full moment in. And that's the husband and the